In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and use a free Notion priority tracker template to help streamline your workflow and keep your tasks organized. Notion is a robust tool that allows you to customize and manage tasks easily, and this template will serve as a centralized hub for prioritizing your daily activities. To get started, let's navigate to Notion and make the most out of this template designed for effective task management. First, ensure you are logged into your Notion account. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile icon. This will open a drop-down menu where you'll find various options. Here, you're looking for something quite simple but essential. By clicking your profile, you're essentially accessing your main user settings and options, which lay the groundwork for customizing your Notion experience with new templates. Next, from the drop-down menu, locate and click on Templates. This is an exciting feature of Notion. It allows you to discover a pre-designed collection of templates tailored for a multitude of purposes. By selecting templates, you are now in a space that houses a vast library of useful tools and structures that can make your life easier, whether you are organizing personal to-dos, collaborating with team members, or simply trying to prioritize your tasks effectively. Once you're in the Templates section, use the search bar to type in Priority. This will help you quickly find the specific type of template you need. The search bar is a powerful tool to quickly navigate through the numerous options available, ensuring you spend less time searching and more time organizing. As you type the word priority, Notion will filter through its template options to display all related results. Look for the template titled Priority Flow, Master Prioritization. This is the template designed expressly for managing tasks by their importance and urgency, which helps prevent the common issue of focusing on the wrong tasks. Click on this template to view its layout and components, and familiarize yourself with how it structures work streams by priority levels. This template is an excellent framework for balancing immediate tasks with longer-term objectives. Finally, to integrate this template into your Notion workspace, click on Add. By doing so, you've now incorporated a comprehensive priority tracker into your system. With this template, you can start sorting your tasks, assigning priority levels, and managing your workload more effectively. It's a straightforward process, but one that will significantly enhance your productivity. Thank you for watching. Implementing this priority tracking template will assist in keeping your responsibilities aligned and ensure nothing important falls through the cracks. Enjoy leveraging Notion to its fullest potential for a more organized and efficient approach to your daily tasks.